KLCC is a symbol of Malaysia's modern architecture and urban development and remains a key attraction for both tourists and locals. KLCC Park, a beautifully landscaped park with walking paths, a lake, and a water fountain show, offering a serene escape amidst the urban setting. Shopping mall at the base of the towers, offering luxury brands, entertainment, and dining options. Is not just about the towers, it is a bustling area that includes a wide range of attractions. The Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, also known as KLCC Kuala Lumpur City Centre, are one of the most iconic landmarks in the country. Standing at 452 meters, these twin towers were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004 and remain the tallest twin towers globally. Signature Food Court Level 2, Suria KLCC. This is the largest and most popular food court in Suria KLCC. It offers a wide variety of affordable Malaysian, Asian, and international cuisines. You'll find local dishes like nasi lemak, laksa, and char kway teow, alongside options like sushi, pizza, and burgers. KLCC Park was designed by renowned Brazilian landscape architect Roberto Berto Marques with the goal of blending nature with the city's modern architecture. The park features a variety of lush greenery, tropical plants, and over 1,900 indigenous trees. Its winding pathways, beautiful water features, and thoughtful landscaping make it an idyllic spot for relaxation and outdoor activities.